Watching Big Drone Flyer 77. When we come back, got the tracker. This is a H101 from Eachine. Right after this. Welcome back, everyone. Thank you for joining me today on this edition of Big Drone Flyer 77. Donnie here, and today I got some pretty cool. It's a little indoor helicopter. This is from Eachine. You can find them on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the descriptions. This is the tracker H101. It is infrared, so it does have to be indoor flyer. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing, do a little fly inside the house, and let you see how it does. So let's see how it comes in the box. I'll just let you know I did open this just to make sure all the parts were here before I started this video. So I did cut some of the ties loose that were holding everything. So I'll show you the helicopter itself, which is pretty good size. It's not too bad of a helicopter. A lot bigger than the old air hogs had when we were kids. So there's the helicopter. Here's the USB charger, which just plugs right on the bottom of this. Just plugs in down here, and then you plug it into your computer or get a wall adapter and you can plug it in there. Little light lights up, flashes. When it's done charging, the light will go out and it'll be ready to go. All right, has one little light right here, and that's about it. There's nothing else on here. There's no camera. This is just a little beginner helicopter for indoors. Does have a pretty good size manual because it's in different languages. It just tells you how to trim the buttons on here on the controller itself. So let's take a look at the controller. It does hold 6 AA's, which does not come with it. So you'll have to get your own AA's. It's 6 of them. This snaps right on the back there. You don't have to put a screw in there. It holds in pretty tight. It has this little cover right here, which I don't know what that's for because there's no port in here, so I don't see anything you can use this for. So that I don't know why that's there. So it's pretty simple. You just got, for takeoff, you just put the lever up. All right, it's not like a quadcopter. Those who are used to drones, you can't yaw it from right here. This is just for up and down. When you go to this side, now this is where you go and turn the helicopter. If you go one way, it's going to turn the helicopter. So it'll go in a circle, or you go that way and it'll go in a circle. Then you got forward, then backwards, okay? So how you're going to turn this is you're going to get the altitude that you want, and then you're just going to go and turn the helicopter a certain way and then go forward, okay? There's no sideways motions or nothing. It just moves the helicopter which way you turn the yaw, and then you press forward or backwards, okay? So it's pretty simple. It's a 3-channel, and that's basically it. There's no different higher rates or anything. It's just one speed. So all right, let's get this thing up in the air and see how it flies indoors. Stay tuned. All right, let's see how well I could do. It's been a while. You just want to turn on the controller like so. It's flashing, waiting to bind with the helicopter. On and off switch is located right underneath. All right, that's the infrared sensor. Like I said before, guys, please do not fly it outside or this will just take off. It'll lose connection since it's infrared. So you're just going to bind it by going up, down. Light stop flashing. It's ready. Got a red light flashing there. All right, let's see how well I can do. It's been a while, guys. That's pretty stable. These gyros definitely make a difference. Really stable helicopter. There is no adjustments for the yaw or anything, so it will drift a little bit. See how it's turning to the left a little? So it's not too bad. You got backwards, forwards here. Pretty good helicopter. Very easy to fly. I'm impressed. I really like it. I wish I had a little more room in here, but it does fly pretty good. And it's pretty quick. Definitely come a long ways compared to the old helicopters when I was a kid. The only time you got to fly a decent helicopter if it was a nitro. And those were pretty darn hard. So it's a pretty good helicopter. I wish it was able to fly outside because it would definitely be fun. But if you have a big enough place, it's still fun for indoors. So not too bad. See how easy it is to land here. Yeah, not too bad, guys. I'm not going to keep going around in a bunch of circles or anything, but this thing does fly for like around 5 minutes, so it's not too bad. It's a good little helicopter. Really easy to learn from. That way, if you're ready to upgrade and get a helicopter where you can fly outside, you'll be ready for it. I suggest to get one of these, practice around the house, and then get one to fly outside. So, pretty fun. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. Eachine, thank you guys for sending this out. I'll leave a link in the description, guys. So, hey, I do recommend this. This is actually a really fun flyer for indoors. Definitely, if you have a bigger space, you'll have a lot more fun. I'd love to have this out in like in a big gym room or something like that. Then you can really get some good flying and get some fast flights in there and get some good practice in. But for indoors, it's great. It's a great beginner. This gets you started for upgrading later to one to go to fly outside. So just pretty easy. Definitely fun, guys. Very easy, very stable. I just can't believe how well these gyros work. They definitely come a long ways since I was a kid. That's for sure. So, all right, there you have it. Thanks for watching. Like always, guys, God bless, cheers, and happy flying.